when cops know who you are, but I like the respect.
What's up with it, man? How you doing, dog? Man, just chilling on it, man. How y'all doing? Nah, man, I washing clothes, so I gotta run and go get my clothes washed. Well, how y'all been, man?
Good. That's knucklehead driving around the orange, possibly an orange road, popping off rounds in the air all over, kind of with everybody.
Damn. I
Two
didn't.
collapsed real close to you, but like Hannah, you know that park over there at Hannah and Honor?
Okay, yeah.
It's the other side of Coffeyville.
Because I usually hear some like on this side of town and right there by 35, but other than that, I'm like,
They're popping them off in the neighborhood. People outside playing, the kids playing, they just keep going off around.
damn. I hope you find them, man.
We've been trying. A lot of Nissan roads out here.
Yeah. All right, man. I just seen you, man. I thought y'all was up to some,
No, I just finished up the traffic stop. Just doing the stupid paperwork.
All right, boss man.
I do this paperwork.
Let me hit on this side of town before it gets dark.
All right, brother. Have a good day.
Yes, sir. You take it easy.